Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. So, karong adlaw, we will talk about academic freedom. Unsa din ni siya? Kay common man ni siya na word pod na tumadunggan sa DepEd. In fact, nagayo ba mga maestra mo insist gyud ani niya na naagid sila academic freedom daw jud. But let us discuss in terms of unsa gini academic freedom in the eyes of in the legal discipline. So, actually, na academic freedom yun. Kita na nato sa ato ang 1987 Constitution. Na siya sa Article 14, Section 5. Niingon dito na academic freedom shall be enjoyed to all higher learning institution. Now, question. Ang DepEd ba higher learning institution? The answer is no. Dili. We are in the basic education sector, dili ta higher learning institution. In many cases decided by the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court discusses or explain unsay scope sa academic freedom. So, naay upat ka butang gidiscuss sa Supreme Court regarding academic freedom. Unsa ning upat? Freedom by the higher learning institution kaning mga atong colleges, upat ka butang na mo-scope gyud sa higher learning academic freedom. Unsa man? Who to teach, what to teach, how the subject to be taught, and who are allowed to apply and be accepted. So, kumbaga, diha na area, diha na ka tuyok ang term na academic freedom. So, ang higher learning institution, pwede sila mubalibad kinsay ilahang kung mga estudyante na mapa-enroll, pwede nila balibaran, pwede sila kinsay makapili sila kinsay ilang patudloon, unsay tudlo, kung unsaon pagtudlo. So that's academic freedom. Sa DepEd, we are basic education man. So academic freedom is not the word need to describe about the professional aspect of the teacher, how to teach the subject. Nga naman, although not a professional discretion or distinction how to teach the subject, but guided ta sa DepEd policies, guidelines, especially the methods, the education, mga libro, materials, guided ta na nila. So, dili makaingon na tanang academic freedom na siya. No. So, we still be bound by our policies, and DepEd is the murag nagmonitor sa ato ang pagpanudlo o ang ato ang principle sa pag-deliver sa ato ang mga content. So, mo na siya. Usahay na academic freedom, no? Academic freedom only enjoyed by higher learning institution. Dili na siya sa DepEd. So, hopefully, nakatabang ni siya na legal principle about the word academic freedom. So, once again, thank you so much sa pagpaminaw, and please like and share and subscribe. Thank you and have a blessed day.